Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh, your CAD resource. In today's video, we're looking at ratios. So here we have an example, and the first example is the ratio of apples to limes. Now we can count how many apples we have. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. All right. We're going to count how many limes we have. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 limes. All right. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to use a ratio now to express the relationship between the apples, the amount of apples and the amount of limes, right? As our first example. All right. So what we can say is that there are 6 apples to 3 limes. Okay, right? So we just look like we counted how many apples and we counted how many limes. We can also use a colon to write the same mathematical expression. So we can say 6 colon, right, colon 3. Or we can represent it as a fraction, right? So the numerator will be the first number that we'll put on the top, and in this case, it will be the 6 for the 6 apples, right? And we have what? 3 limes here? 3, yes? So we're going to write the numerator at the top, which is the 6, yes? And then the denominator would be the 3, right? So these 3 ways is a ratio expression of the ratio of apples to limes, right? Now, like fractions, we need to simplify the ratio, right? So we need to find the highest common factor that is similar for 6 and 3. So 3 can be divided by 3 and also 6. So when we 3 into 6 is 2, 3 into 3 is 1, right? So this, it can also be written as 2 to 1 or 2 colon 1 or 2 upon 1, right? So let us show you the first expression now. So what we're saying is, remember the 6 here, so watch now. Originally we had what? 6 limes. No, 6 apples, right? And then we had what? 3, 6 to 3, right? Yes, so this is a 3, right? But then we simplify the ratio and we got 2. So look now. This would be 2 apples to 1 lime, 2 apples to 1 lime, 2 apples to one lime, right? So that is the ratio. All right. The next example we're looking at is a ratio of footballs to tennis balls, right? So we have what? 4 footballs. So we have what? 4 here, and we have what? 3 tennis balls, right? Good. So again, we can write 4 to 3, yes, or we can write 4 colon 3, or we can write 4 upon 3, right? As a ratio. Now, the we're gonna look now if we can simplify the ratio or the simplify the ratio. So the highest common factor to 4 upon 3 will be 1, which will be giving about the same 4 upon 3. So this is the simplified ratio here, which is 4 upon 3, while above it was 2 to 1. So here it is now 4, 4 of these items, 4 footballs to 3 tennis balls. Good. Right. So I hope you understand the principles of ratio. So specifically, we'll be looking at what's the definition for the term ratio. We'll be introducing you to the basics of ratios, and we'll be showing you how to write a ratio, okay? From a mathematical perspective, okay? So we are looking at the definition of ratios. So a ratio is a relationship between something and comparing it to something else. So for example, for every 2 apples, there are 3 oranges. In today's video, we're looking at ratios. In the previous video, we looked at another mathematical topic that we also use in technical drawing, and it was the circle theorem. We highly encourage you to watch those sets of videos that we posted previously on the site called CAD with Mr. Hugh. So coming back to today's video, as we said, we are looking at ratios. And this brings us to the end of today's video. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of triangles. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care. Until then, bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.